Hello and welcome to this video on how to make money as a freelancer using ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a powerful language model developed by OpenAI that can generate human-like text. It can be used for a variety of tasks such as chatbot development, content creation, and even language translation. As a freelancer, you can offer your services to clients who need help with these types of tasks. Here are a few ways to make money with Chat as a freelancer. Chatbot development. Many businesses are looking to create chatbots to interact with their customers. As a freelancer, you can use ChatGPT to train a chatbot and offer it to clients. Another effective way is through content creation. ChatGPT can be used to generate high-quality content such as articles, blog posts, and product descriptions. You can offer your services to clients who need help with creating content. The last but not least is language translation. ChatGPT can also be used to translate text from one language to another. You can offer your services as a translator to clients who need help with translation. To get started as a freelancer using ChatGPT, you will need to have some knowledge of programming and machine learning. You can find tutorials and documentation on the OpenAI website to help you get started. Once you have the skills, you can start offering your services on freelancing platforms such as Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr. You can also reach out to businesses directly to offer your services. In conclusion, ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can help you make money as a freelancer. With the growing demand for chatbots, content creation, and translation services, there is a lot of potential for earning money. If you're interested in using ChatGPT as a freelancer, start learning more about it by subscribing to this channel. Thanks for watching and catch you up in my next upload.